Whether you're a freelancer, have a job conducive to working from home, or were forced to work from home because of recent events, going to the office is becoming a thing of the past. But while working from home might be a dream come true for a lot of us, the truth is that it comes with its own list of issues. People who just started to work from home for the first time may find that they don't get to do as much work as they would like to, or that their mental or physical health may start to suffer. So how can you make the most of working at home while still keeping your sanity? In this video, we'll be discussing 10 ways to increase productivity while still working from home. Number 10. Set boundaries. Doing your work from your bed might feel like you're living the dream, but it gets real old real fast. Find a place in your home you can dedicate specifically to your work, a separate room if possible. Once there, make sure that others that live with you understand that when you're in that area, it's the same as if you were to walk into a physical office. Number 9. Set up your workspace. Whether you plan to be working from home for a few weeks or permanently, remember that this is your new office. Try to keep your workspace uncluttered and clean so as to allow yourself to focus more on work and know where everything is at any given time. Number 8. Stick to a routine. Remember that even though you might be at home, you're still going to work. Set a specific time to wake up every morning. Get yourself ready as if you're going into the office, and even set your meals for specific times. This is especially important if you work for yourself or if your employer does not set a specific schedule. Number 7. Don't work yourself to death. You want to find a balance when it comes to your time. Find regular time to take breaks, or else you may end up calling it quits too early and just end up sitting on your couch flipping through your social media. Since you don't have your boss over your shoulder all day, you need to pace yourself so that you can stay motivated. Number 6. Know when to quit. Don't feel like you have to work all day, because you don't. It's easy to go back to work when your computer might be just a few feet away from your bed. But once you've decided that your workday is done, close your computer, put away your papers, and don't give in to temptation of just checking in every once in a while, unless it's an absolute emergency. Number 5. Be prepared. Try to have everything that you'll need right at your desk or work area so that you don't have to go around the house looking for things. This rings true even for food and drink, as just a quick trip to the kitchen could end up turning into a long conversation with someone in the living room. Alright, if you're stuck working at home and these tips seem just what the doctor ordered, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Oh, and feel free to share with a friend who could use some help adjusting to the new surroundings. Alright, back to the list. Number 4. Stay well fed. Along with the previous point, you don't want excuses to leave your dedicated work area. If you have a solid breakfast and lunch, you'll be less likely to want to wander to the kitchen to see what's in the fridge or cupboard. Number 3. Block out your time. Try to plan for more than just work. Again, since you're on your own here, you typically have to set your own pace and figure out what sort of work you'll be doing at what particular time. By scheduling ahead of time and setting specific goals and milestones, you'll find that your workday will be a lot more productive. Number 2. Don't take long breaks. This is a very strong temptation when you work from home. If you have to run an occasional errand or make an appointment during the day, don't make it a habit. Many who work from home stop for hours at a time and expect to come back to work fully motivated and ready to produce. The sad truth is that anything longer than a brief pause for a snack or meal can destroy your motivation for the rest of the day. And the number 1 tip, be grateful. Working from home obviously has its downsides, but think about all the snow and ice or hours in traffic you get to avoid by working at home. Plus, think of all the distractions you can avoid without people swinging by to chat. Above all, you can be more available for your family and your own personal needs compared to being stuck in a cubicle. So, just remember to keep yourself focused and prepared while keeping the right attitude, and you'll get through this with no problem. Regardless of the circumstances, remote work or working from home is going to be a major part of the economy from here on out. So why not make the most out of it? Just be sure to follow these 10 tips and you'll be good to go in no time. Have other topics you'd like us to cover? Feel free to drop a line in the comments. Until next time, This has been your friends at Verloda wishing you good health.